Okay, so we're asked to find the equation of the tangent to y equals x squared minus x plus 9 at the point where x equals a. So since we've given x equals a and not like a constant that we know, we're going to have to do this in terms of general terms. So when x equals a, let's find the y coordinate. It's just easy. Substitute for where x is, so we get the coordinate a squared minus a plus 9 is what we're working with. So when we're finding the tangent, we have to first find the gradient. And to do that, we need the derivative. So derivative is dy over dx is equal to 2x minus 1. And if we substitute a in there, we get our gradient. So m is equal to 2a minus 1. Now, given this, our gradient is equal to y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. So if we let y1 be y and x1 be x, we get y minus, and then our y coordinate that we have, a squared minus a plus 9 over x minus a is equal to 2a minus 1. If you multiply everything out, you get y minus a squared plus a minus 9 is equal to 2a minus 1 times x minus a. So y minus a squared plus a minus 9 is equal to 2ax minus 2a squared minus x plus a. So automatically we know that, let me just change the color, these two a's cancel out. And we get, if we put everything on one side, we get y is equal to 2ax minus 2a squared plus a squared minus x plus 9. And now we can just collect like terms. So we get y is equal to 2a minus 1 x minus a squared minus 9. So this is our tangent equation, and this will work for any value of a. So now let's go to part B. Hence, find the equation of the two tangents from 0, 0 to the curve. So what this means is if we substitute 0, we get 0 is equal to 2a minus 1 times 0 minus a squared minus 9, which means that this just cancels out because 0 times anything is 0. So we get negative a squared minus 9 is equal to 0. Since it's 0, we can divide by negative 1, so we get a squared minus 9 is equal to 0. So a squared is equal to 9. Hence, a is equal to plus minus 3. So it's asking us to find the equations of the two tangents from 0, 0 to the curve. So we've gotten two values of a. What we need to do is just substitute each value into our tangent equation. So when a is equal to 3, we get y is equal to 2 times 3, so 6 minus 1x minus 3 squared minus 9. But actually, we don't even need to consider the y-intercept because we know the y-intercept is going to be 0 if it's going through the origin. So we get y equals 5x as our first equation. And then for the second one, we just need to look at the gradient because the y-intercept is going to be 0. So y is equal to, sorry, let me just write a equals negative 3. A equals negative 3. Y is equal to 2 times negative 3, which is negative 6 minus 1 is negative 7. So y equals negative 7x is our other one. So y equals 5x and y equals negative 7x.